protecting my needle. Laying her down. Okay. We're gonna start off with our first friend. Then we're gonna go with our second friend. Then our first friend again. Wonderful. Ah. Technical difficulties.
That's okay. You'd have someone helping you.
Okay, wonderful.
Good thing your needle was protected.
That's why we do these things. Okay. Actually, need to fix this. Okay. Now we're gonna start. Come in, do our close stitches. Wonderful. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. Wonderful. So I'm gonna move on to my transition stitch. Wonderful. And all these stitches from now on are going to be open. Great.
Let's get hold it right here.
I'm going on one side and come out on the other side. Do that once more. Just making sure that we're coming out on a same plane. Oh. Okay. We're gonna do our V-stitch.
Oh, wait, that's where you wanted to make this one.
Okay, and then we want it to be open. Sorry about that. diverticulus. It came out on this side, so we're gonna start on this side. And we're gonna do little bites. Oh, that was a big bite. Wonderful. Making sure that it's open. Make sure we have our little bites. Okay. Now we're going to transition back, now that we've held that together, transition back into the vaginal plane. Wonderful. Okay, and then doing one more here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right about there, and we're going to take this opportunity to cut our needle and put it in our Proton sharps. And then at this end, we're gonna do a instrument tie. And place our instruments down, and for the first one we're going to go over 2 times and pull our other side through. It'll let us. Okay, and then we're going to go once over for the next one. It'll let us. And then we're gonna go one more time. Technical difficulties with the string. Okay, wonderful. At this point, we would cut.